Microshare's universal contact tracing solution provides anonymized searchable contact data in workplaces and other environments where social distancing alone may not be enough. Microshare has designed universal contact tracing for our clients' factories and construction sites, offices and residential buildings, hospitals, assisted living facilities and labs, mines, farms, barracks and warehouses, airports, and other transit infrastructure. Our Bluetooth-based long battery life wearable solutions avoid the many pitfalls of using smartphone apps, which are vulnerable to privacy and security breaches, subject to battery failure or disabling, impractical or forbidden in some environments, expensive and not universally adopted. In much of the world, for instance, smartphones remain an expensive luxury. Universal contact tracing operates with Bluetooth beacons embedded in wristbands or badges and at sites throughout a facility. LoRaWAN gateways, low-bandwidth, long-range network nodes, provide a secure data backhaul. This creates an historic database of contact events and locations. Let's look at Company X. The company defines a contact event as exposure to someone with the virus for 10 minutes at 2 meters distance or less, about 6 feet. As people go through their day, interactions between individual badge numbers are recorded, noting time, location, and duration. This data accumulates anonymously, remaining unused unless a COVID-19 diagnosis is received. So what happens when someone does report COVID-19 symptoms? The report to Human Resources, to a manager, or in the case of Company X, to its Chief Wellness Officer, sets predetermined corporate policies into motion. The database is queried to see whether badge number 12345 generated any contact events in the past 2 weeks and what rooms the person spent time in. This search identifies 4 such events in Conference Room A, a break room, and the warehouse. In Conference Room A, a coworker, badge number 39737, was exposed. Once the Chief Wellness Officer realizes 4 employees have been exposed, their badge numbers are matched with names. Company X asks them to self-quarantine for 14 days. The data also indicates which rooms affected people occupied, and these rooms, and only these rooms, are designated for disinfection and deep cleaning, minimizing disruption. Universal contact tracing is just one element of Microshare's 6 steps to facility resilience. For years, Microshare has argued that clean equals safe. The pandemic has turned clean equals safe from a nice-to-have into a matter of utmost urgency. Contact us today and take your first step on the path toward a safer, more efficient, and sustainable facility.